Real estate can make you a millionaire or bankrupt you overnight. Before you invest, you need the full picture. Today, we'll break down the 10 brutally honest pros and cons of the real estate business. Many see the glamour, big houses, passive income, but behind every success are risks and challenges no one talks about. We're diving deep into what it truly means to be a landlord, the real costs, the risks, and the rewards. Let's begin this deep dive together. The biggest advantage? Cash flow. Imagine monthly rent covering your EMI, maintenance, and leaving you extra. Your tenant is paying for your asset. This steady, predictable income is the foundation of financial freedom for many. It's not just about money, it's about buying back your time and reducing financial anxiety. Real estate, done right, can be a self-sustaining wealth engine. Real estate appreciates. Unlike cars, it usually grows in value. Land is limited, demand rises, and your property's worth can multiply over years. It's a long-term game. Patience today can mean generational wealth tomorrow. Silent growth is how real wealth is built. The government rewards real estate investors with tax benefits, loan interest, repairs, property taxes, even depreciation. Many expenses are deductible. These legal deductions can save you a lot, boosting your real returns. Smart investors use these rules to maximize profits and minimize taxes. Leverage is real estate's superpower. With a small down payment, you control a much larger asset. Banks fund the rest. If your property appreciates, your returns on invested capital can be massive. Leverage amplifies gains and risks, so use it wisely. It's why real estate has created so many millionaires. Real estate is tangible. You can see and control it. You decide on renovations, tenants, and rent. You're in the driver's seat. Unlike stocks, you actively influence your investment's performance. That control gives security and the power to build value. Now the cons. First, huge capital needed. Down payments, fees, and repairs can drain your savings before you even start. Unlike stocks, you can't start small. Real estate locks in big money up front. If you're not prepared, this can leave you financially vulnerable. Plan your finances meticulously before jumping in. Real estate is illiquid. You can't sell it quickly if you need cash. Selling takes months, sometimes years, and urgent needs can force you to sell at a loss. Your wealth is trapped in bricks and mortar, not easily accessible. That's why you shouldn't put all your money into property. It's a great long-term asset, but offers zero flexibility for emergencies. Being a landlord is hard work. Properties need constant repairs, and bad tenants can cause endless headaches. It's not passive. Expect late-night calls and ongoing hassles. Maintenance costs time, money, and energy. The dream of passive income can quickly become a demanding part-time job. Market risks are real. Property prices don't always go up. Economic downturns, policy changes, or local issues can wipe out returns. You're betting on the future of a city, not just a building. Accept that some risks are beyond your control. Legal issues can drain your time, money, and peace of mind. Tenant disputes, title problems, and compliance headaches are common. Navigating real estate law is complex. Mistakes can be costly. Always do your due diligence and get expert help. So, is real estate worth it? Yes, if you play smart and educate yourself. Real estate is a business, not a passive investment. The difference between riches and ruin is knowledge and preparation. Learn the market, manage risks, and treat it seriously. Want more financial wisdom? Subscribe to Azor Global for daily tips and strategies. Until next time, invest wisely.